video, we are going to look more closely at identities. An identity is an equation that is true for all values of the variable or variables. For example, x plus y is equal to y plus x. This equation is always true. If x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9, then we have 4 plus 9 is equal to 9 plus 4. Both sides equal 13. If, on the other hand, x is 100 and y is 2, then we have 100 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 100. Both sides are equal to 102. This works because addition is commutative. Changing the order does not change the sum. Another identity is A times B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. This is the distributive property. It tells us that multiplying A by a sum is the same as multiplying A by each addend and then adding. For example, if A is equal to 4, B is equal to 10, and C is equal to 3, then the left side, we have 4 times 10 plus 3, which is the same thing as 4 times 13, or 52. Now, let's look at the other side. 4 times 10 plus 4 times 3. That gives us 40 plus 12. And 40 plus 12 is 52. Both sides equal 52. So the equation is true for those values. But it is not only true for those values. It is true for all values. That is what makes an equation an identity. Now, consider 100 minus 1, all times 23, is equal to 100 times 23 minus 1 times 23. This is also an example of the distributive property. The left side says take 100 minus 1, then multiply by 23. The right side says multiply 100 by 23, then subtract one group of 23. Both sides represent the same quantity. This can also be a helpful mental math strategy. Since 100 minus 1 is equal to 99, this identity helps us think about 99 times 23 as 100 times 23 minus 1 times 23. That is 2,300 minus 23, which is 2,277. This is a wonderful connection between algebra and arithmetic. Identities are not just abstract rules. They describe structure that can help us calculate, reason, and explain. For future elementary teachers, identities are important because many arithmetic strategies are based on these properties. When a student solves 99 times 23 by thinking 100 groups of 23 minus one group of 23, that student is using the distributive property. They may not write the algebraic identity, but the reasoning is there. The big idea we have, an identity is an equation that is always true, and identities often describe important properties of arithmetic.